So here I am making chocolate Petit Gateaux with eggless version. I have taken milk. In the milk I am going to put vinegar. Give a mix and rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I am going to mix my sugar into it. Give a mix. Then you put your baking powder, baking soda, vanilla essence. Give a mix. Give a good mix. Now I'm going to put my oil into it and give a mix. You can use electric beater if you wish. On other hand, I'm going to take my dry ingredients, which is all-purpose flour and cocoa powder. Give a mix. Once your mix is done correctly, then take a strainer and slowly put this dry ingredients and keep straining it. Now you give a good mix. Scrape the edges and keep a good mix. So I have taken 3 cylindrical aluminium mold for my baking of Petit Gateaux. So I am taking this batter and I am going to fill 3/4 of this cup. So now I have filled this 3 mold and I am going to bake this into oven, which is preheated at 180 degree and bake at 160 degree. So my sponge are ready. Now as it's hot, I have to rest it for some time, 10-15 minutes. By the time it's resting, I'm going to make my coffee ganache ready. So I'm going to use this grinder for making my fresh coffee decoction. So I'm using fresh Robusta coffee bean. My grounded coffee is ready. So now I am going to use a French press for making my coffee decoction. So how to do that? First I'll put my coffee grounded inside and then I'll put boiling hot water into it. So now I'm going to put my hot water and keep round and put the water inside and just press this. Don't press till end, but leave it like this in halfway for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to make my coffee ganache, where I'm going to use some cooking creams which I have taken in my pan. I'll make it hot now. Cook the cream at low temperature, 80 to 90 degree. Once you see the boil is coming, give a stir. Now stop once, and on other hand your French press coffee is ready. Now press it, so you'll get your coffee on top. Now you press and you will get your coffee on top, which is your decoction concentrate coffee. Now I am going to pour my coffee decoction. Keep cooking for some time. Once you feel it, the cream is getting little thickened as you have added some liquid. Once you feel your coffee cream is little thickened, take it off from the range and put your chocolate. So now once you put chocolate inside, keep mixing it. Just give a light mix and scrape your scraper and clean wrap it. After 10 minutes, give a good mix and your coffee truffle is ready. Now you have to rest it for 4 to 5 hours for piping. So for my Petit Gateaux, things are all together now. I am going to trim the top of this sponge. So now I'm going to demold it. So my sponges are ready and little moist from outside. If you want to dip them into a jam, apricot jam or any of the citric jam you can use, and then you can just roll it on the nuts. That will give a nice look on your Petit Gateaux. So I have taken my coffee ganache in a piping bag and now I am going to pipe it here in a round form. So I have piped my coffee ganache on top. Now I'll do some innovative garnishing on top. So I have taken my measuring spoon, small one, and use some hot water to make it hot and make a design here. In the middle, to make it more attractive, I am going to pipe some caramel. Alright, so now as I have used coffee in it, so I am going to use some coffee beans as a garnish. So this is your coffee Petit Gateaux is ready.